Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Validating response data against a JSON schema is an important task when working with APIs. It helps ensure that the data received from an API matches the expected structure, types, and constraints. JSON schema is a powerful tool for this purpose, providing a way to describe the expected format of JSON data. In this tutorial, we'll cover the following topics. 1. What is JSON schema? 2. Setting up a validation library. 3. Creating a JSON schema. 4. Validating JSON data against the schema. 5. Example. 1. What is JSON schema? JSON schema is a declarative language that allows you to validate, annotate, and document JSON documents. It defines a JSON object that specifies the structure of the data. A schema can define properties, required fields, types, and even complex constraints. 2. Setting up a validation library. In this tutorial, we will use the JSON schema library in Python. You can install it using pip. 3. Creating a JSON schema. Let's assume we are expecting a JSON response for a user profile that should contain the following properties. ID, an integer, required. Name, a string, required. Email, a string in email format, required. Age, an integer, optional. Here's how the JSON schema for this response might look. 4. Validating JSON data against the schema. Now let's write a Python script to validate an example JSON response against our schema. 5. Example. When you run the above script, it will print response is valid because the response underscore data matches the schema. If you modify the response underscore data to something invalid, such as, and run the script again, it will print. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of validating JSON data against a JSON schema using the JSON schema library in Python. JSON schema provides a powerful way to ensure the integrity of your data, making it a valuable tool in any API-driven application. You can extend your schema to include more complex validations and constraints as needed, ensuring that your application behaves correctly with the data it processes.